Paris par train, gare routière, hôtel Hilton, Ibis, Novotel. Assurez-vous de ne pas oublier vos bagages.
Next station, Terminal 3, Roissy-Pôle. Paris by train, Hilton, Ibis, and Novotel Hotels bus station. Please make sure that you have all of your luggage with you.
Décollage 27 gauche à France 254. 300 vite contact le départ, 124 350 en bas. 335, clear to cross runway 27 left, kilo 3 on the other side, 1216. Cross runway kilo 3, 116 other side, 35, over. Air France 224 Papa, autorisé décollage 27 gauche, vent 310 degrés kilo. Autorisé décollage 27 gauche, Air France 224 Papa. La tour d'Air France 2419.
2419, je vous écoute.
Ouais, je crois à peu près 500 mètres après le toucher, j'ai cru voir quelque chose sur la piste.
J'ai reçu 24. Lufthansa 35 Echo, the preceding aircraft reported something on the railway, go around, climb 3,000 feet QNH 1025.
Go on, 3000 onwards, 025.
J'ai reçu merci 2419, on your 650, wind calm on way 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27 left on Air 652.
Okay, travel 259, an object has been reported on runway 27 right. Would you, do you accept visual approach runway 27 left? Shamrock 529, departure on 12435.
12435, Shamrock 529, above.
Okay, travel 259 on frequency. Okay, travel 259, so there's been an object reported on runway 27 right.
Transit 377, switching 12435.
Negative, Transit 377, could you check your squawk? I can't see your altitude at the moment, that's why I didn't send you away.
Okay, we have 5643 and it seems to be on. Would you like me to write down?
Departure 124.35, bye-bye.
2435, green, landed to super, climb in.